Staying protected without remembering dozens of passwords can feel like an impossible task, especially with how many accounts we manage today. But what if I told you there's an easy way to stay secure without the headache of endless passwords? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to protect your accounts while only needing to remember one thing. So let's dive in. The first step is using a password manager. Now, I know you've probably heard of password managers before, but trust me, they really are game changers when it comes to security. A password manager stores all your passwords in one encrypted vault, and it can even generate strong, unique passwords for every account. This way, you only need to remember one master password to access everything else. You're probably wondering, which password manager should I use? After testing out all the popular options, I found that the software we'll be using today is not only simple, but incredibly secure. It's my top recommendation, and the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, but more on that in a minute. Once you set up your password manager, the next thing is to enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, usually your phone. Even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor. Now, when it comes to setting up your password manager, you'll want to make sure you're storing all of your critical accounts, such as email, banking, and social media logins. You can even store other sensitive information like credit card numbers or secure notes in most password managers. This means that your information is safe, and you only need to remember one password to unlock it all. One of the best features of this software is its ability to sync across all your devices. That means whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your passwords are always accessible without having to memorize anything. For those who are always on the go, many password managers also offer browser extensions that autofill your passwords with just a click. This makes logging into websites faster and more convenient without sacrificing security. A big mistake many people make is reusing passwords across different sites. With a password manager, that's a thing of the past. You can create unique, complex passwords for every site. So even if one password is compromised, your other accounts remain safe. Now remember, if you want to follow along with the software I'm using today, check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial that's only available to my viewers. This will give you full access to all the features you need to stay protected without remembering dozens of passwords. To wrap things up, here's the key takeaway. Using a password manager is the easiest and most secure way to protect your accounts without the hassle of remembering endless passwords. And with two-factor authentication on top of that, you'll be doubly protected. In summary, choose a good password manager, enable two-factor authentication, and make sure to store all your important logins in one place. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can stay safe and secure. Thanks for watching and stay protected.